Going up the pass, we've got a lovely view on the left here of where we've been. So sort of heading back on ourselves just a little bit. And you can see the mountains and the forest that we headed through yesterday. And then out from behind us, you can see it without me wobbling. Here we are guys, top of the hill. Me and my dad. And another guy we're travelling with called Mike. We're I think we're at the top anyway. Hello guys, we're down here by a sort of pondy lake thing, and it's really beautiful. The heat a bit picked up a bit, but
with that weight I nearly didn't make it up that hill.
We just come over the steep hill, as you've probably just seen, and then you end up like being spat out here, which is really gorgeous. Big green truck.
Alright, no problem.
Have a good day guys, enjoy.